How to pay with Affirm on Priceline. To pay with Affirm on Priceline, follow these steps. Visit Priceline's website or app and search for your flight, hotel, or vacation package. Select your desired booking and proceed to checkout. At the payment section during checkout, look for Pay Monthly with Affirm or a similar option. Choose Affirm as your payment method. If you're new to Affirm, you'll need to create an account. Existing users can log in. Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility and provide payment plan options. Review the terms, including interest rates and monthly payment amounts. If approved, select your preferred payment plan and confirm. Priceline will finalize your booking, and Affirm will handle the financing. Payments are made directly to Affirm, not Priceline. Download the Affirm app or log into their website to manage your payment plan. Affirm financing may not be available for all bookings on Priceline. Thanks for watching.